Halftime analysis. Right here beside me is Coach H-Bomb, John Kabugawan, also a sportscaster here in IEBL. What can you say about the performance of JMP Gadgets Pacman? Ang ganda ng laro nila.
Yeah, nagsisimula sila sa magandang defense. After the defense, nag-transition offense sila. Yung Kostef, medyo walang transition defense. So, doon sila nakalamang.
Right. I'm looking at the size and number of players for Kostef Breakmasters. They have the height. They have the number of players, pero they're being out-rebounded. Sabi mo nga, they're not running back on defense. They're being out-rebounded by JMP Gadgets Pacman. What do you think would be the adjustment na kailangan nilang gawin ngayong second half?
So kanina sa bench ako ng Kostef, no, sinasabi lang naman ni Bestie na magkaroon sila ng puso. Kasi ang nangyayari sa kanila pag nagsasablayin sila, hindi na sila bumababa sa depensa, walang effort. So sabi ni Bestie, dapat mag-effort sila para at makahabol sila sa ball game na to. Kasi kung mag-aayaw sila, mag-aayawan na lang. Kaya medyo maganda yung pep talk. Yeah.
And 22-point lead, no? And all credit goes to JMP Gadgets Pacman. Everything is falling for JMP Gadgets. The stars are aligned. Their key players are here. Sid Castillo, Loho, Belsa. And Padao is also playing really well. Libato, medyo easy pa si Dave, no? Pero do you think may kailangan pa silang adjustment for this game?
Siguro wag nila sila mag-overconfidence, compadre, no? Para pa-carry over nila yung larong to. Kasi alam mo naman sa IEBL, unpredictable, no? So, baka mamaya mahabol sila. At least, medyo dapat wag silang magkumpiyansa.
Well, thank you so much for the professional insights of my fellow sportscaster, Coach H-Bomb, John Kabugawan.
Athlete ata, will,
That's right. Halftime break, halftime analysis, only here in IEBL. We'll be back.